Playboy, 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 playboy.
Okay guys, jumping straight in, today's video is coming courtesy of LuHair. They sent over one of their wigs for me to try for you guys, and of course all the details and the links will be in the description box. But I just came on here today to show you guys really quick how I lay my wigs using just Got to Be Glued free spray. No glue, no gel, no anything, just my hairspray. So as you guys saw, they sent over one of these velvet wig grips for me, and if you don't know what these are, these can make your wig glueless as well. You can just pop this on under your wig and it won't roll back or slide back or anything. I didn't really need it because I still am technically laying down my wig. I just wanted to see if it worked, and it actually did. So first thing I'm gonna do is get all these baby hairs out the way, just so they're not in the way when I'm trying to lay down the wig and they're not getting all tangled up in the hairspray. So now that I've cut off all the extra lace, I'm just going to spray that Got to Be free spray directly on the hairline. And then with the metal part of my rat tail comb, I'm really going to melt that lace into my skin. And then just to help with that, I'm going to take my blow dryer on cool just to really set everything and make sure it stays in place. And that's it, guys. It's really so easy. All I do is keep repeating those steps of spraying the hairspray on the hairline and then melting the lace into my skin with my rat tail comb and my blow dryer, and it stays on there just like how it does when I actually glue the hair down, as you can see right here. And then when I take it off at night, I do the same process I do with glue. I just take my spray bottle and spray the hairline until it's soaking wet and it just slips right off. And like I said before, guys, this hair is from LuHair. This is their Ivy Deep Wave Lace Front Wig in 22 inches. And if you can remember from the first couple clips, it is an ear-to-ear lace, but the length going back, I think I'm saying that right, it isn't very much, but it didn't bother me because the parting wasn't like super disrespectful, you know. I was still able to part a considerable amount. But yeah, this is actually a really pretty wig. I was gonna wet the whole thing to try to get it more defined, but I actually liked it a little better with these really like loose and fluffy curls. Of course, guys, if you are interested in this wig, I will have all the details and the links in the description box, so of course do not forget to check that out. And real quick, if you've like never been on my channel and never seen my videos or never just noticed, I don't glue down the sides of my wigs. I don't really have a reason. I just don't like to, unless I'm actually like going out somewhere. Of course, then your girl stays secure. But you know, when I'm just in the house filming and doing videos for you guys, I don't really feel the need to lay down the sides, because it's like, why, you know? So don't come for me, all right? Please. And that is it, guys, how I lay my wigs using no glue or gel. Again, shout out to LuHair. Of course, all the links and the details will be in the description box. Before you go, don't forget to go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.